Being out in nature improves health because it reduces anxiety and it gives your mind a break away from all the stimuli. If you're thinking about your home life or your work life, you're always going to be distracted by technology, what's going on in the kitchen, what's going on in your office computer. Getting out and stepping outside and getting fresh air and sunlight gives your brain a chance to relax, so that way when you return to your day-to-day tasks, you'll be more energetic and more focused on the task at hand. So Advent Health currently uses nature in a few modalities. Main one being that many of our newly constructed hospital campuses have some form of campus garden in the central part of the hospital or on the grounds. Our Advent Health groundskeepers work day in and day out to make sure that our grounds and landscaping are green and lush to ensure that it's an optimal healing environment. With my job as an agricultural specialist at Advent Health Celebration, I'm in charge of doing a vegetable garden on our campus, as well as growing produce for giving back to the community, as well as our Advent Health team members.